Now let's take a look at Reporting tab. Under Reporting tab, you can look at various data. Real-time data provides people who have logged into your website, rather opened your website, and how many people are currently looking at it, from which locations, and the source of traffic, whether they have landed on your website from social media or from some other referral website, some other website, third party websites. Okay, all this can be viewed from this real time menu. Audience menu. Under this audience menu, it provides demographics, interest, geographic details, and behavior details, and more and more. Under demographics, you can look at age wise data. Okay, session indicates, assume a user log in to your website, rather opened the website and did not do any activities for 30 minutes, and he comes back to your website and he performs some activities like or traveling to another page. In this case, a new session will be created. Percentage of new session, so it indicates number of, not just number of visitors, even a visitor who did not do any activities for 30 minutes and comes back and performs some activities. In that case, it will be counted as new session. Okay, and percentage of new sessions, new users visited, and bounce rate. If you mouse over, you will be able to learn about each and every field. Here, bounce rate indicates it is a percentage of single page visits, that is, visits in which the person left your site from the entrance page without interacting with the page. It indicates how engaging your current pages, okay, how engaging your web pages are, and pages per session. User lands on your website and how many pages this person has visited, an average session duration, okay, how long they stayed on your website, and the transactions. Conversions are nothing but goals or sales, leads. Okay, so you can define goals, a thank you page as a goal. So how many people in this specific age group have completed a goal, okay, can be tracked here. So using this age data, what you can do is, so assume a specific category. Here in this case, 25 to 34 age group are buying home EPS more than 18 to 24 category or rest of the categories. In this case, what you can do is you can design your advertisement strategy in such a way that you should target 25 to 34 age group and show your ads. You got it? In this case, you will get more conversions, more sales from this specific age group. Similarly, you can look at gender data. So you can find out whether male are purchasing more or female. Okay, and you can design your ad strategy to target a specific group. Okay, if you open interest category, the key categories are affinity and in-market segments. Affinity categories like they have more interest towards your subject, okay, and in-market segments like they have more buying potential. Okay, you can take a look at the in-market segment categories and how many people are visiting and which is your most converting categories. Based on this, you can again design your display network advertisement strategy targeting these groups. Okay, and geo, from which specific location, you have you are getting the visitors from, which country. If you choose any specific country, you can look at state wise and city wise data here. Okay, and which specific language they speak. Okay, again, this will help you design your marketing strategy. And behavior, new visitors returning, how many new visitors and how many people are returning visitors, and frequency versus recency, number of people or sessions completed at least one session. Okay, number of people completed at least 9 to 14 sessions. Okay, they are repeating customers or sessions. Okay, engagement reports, number of sessions or people completed 0 to 10 seconds, who stayed 181 to 600 seconds in your web page. 15. And the technology, browser and OS, which browser you are getting most number of visitors from. This, using this, you can actually ask your web developer to perform or optimize your website. If you are getting more number of visitors from Chrome, then your website should be compatible with Chrome. Okay. Network, from which ISP, internet service provider, you are getting more number of visitors from. Using this again, if you remember, you can use your YouTube to target specific network. Okay, target the specific network from which, if you're getting a specific network and number of goals are more, target the specific network and advertise.